Myself, Aditya Nachinke, and I'm here to speak on the topic of the difference between for loop, while loop, do while loop, and switch case. The for loop, while loop, do while loop are the looping statement, and the switch case is the multi-branching statement. So let us see the difference between them. For loop. The for loop is the mostly commonly used loop. For that, we need to first, if we want to use the for loop, we need to first initialize, then condition is given, then increment and decrement is done in a single statement. It is the entry control loop. It is called as a entry control loop also. For example, if when we start, then the initialization is then condition is checked. After the condition is true, then it executes the statement, and if the condition is false, then it goes out of the loop. Then next is the while loop. The while loop is called as the pretest loop. It tests the condition before going into the block. The while loop is used when we don't know the count of the iterations, or we don't know how many times the loop is going to execute. It is also called as a entry control loop. Then example of it is that when we start, then it first tests the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement get executed, and if the condition is false, then it goes out of the loop. Then next is the do while loop. The do while loop is called as the post test loop. It is called as the post test loop because it first executes the statement and then tests the condition. It is used when we want to print, if we want to print, execute a statement first and then check the conditions. And its example is that when we start, then first statements get executed, and then it goes to check the condition. And it is used when you want to execute the statement even the condition is false. Then next is the switch case. The switch case is used when we want to execute a single case over the multiple cases. In switch case, we can give a case of a particular number, means fixed number only. The switch case example is that when we start, then there is a condition to a switch case. The switch case, then when the condition is true, then it goes to the case 1. If the case 1 is true, then it goes to the break statement and it breaks over there and goes out of the loop. If the case 1 is false, then it goes to the next case 2. If the case 2 is false, then it goes to the third case, and it keeps on going on till the cases are been there. And for example, if all the cases get false, then it goes in the default. In this way, the switch case is used to execute the single case over the multiple cases. So this is the difference between the do while loop, while loop, for loop, and the switch case. Thank you.